I got some new mixing bowls, cook with color. I've done a couple products of theirs in the past. There was that really nice cook with color air fryer with the clear glass window. That one was pretty nice. Now we have their colored mixing bowls, and this is a 12-piece set. So we got lids for everything, and everything will nest inside of each other, which is quite nice. Now they do have a lot of different colors, and they do have a couple different designs. This one is the embossed, and this one you can see has the pattern on it. They also do have the smooth ones. They have some very colorful ones as well. They have some that are pink and purple, and yeah, just go take a look and you'll find all kinds of colors for your kitchen. All right, so this is every bowl that does come with it. You got your largest one, your next largest one. Like I said, they all do nest. You got your next largest, another one, this one, little cute, I guess, for sauces. And then you do have the lids. And like I said, everything will nest into each other. So you can put this whole entire set in your cabinet. These mixing bowls also do have these rubber liners that go on the bottom. And these will help grip the counter for you. And they do have really good grip. And like I mentioned, they got a lot of different colors that you can choose from. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.